tama na po ang pagiging martir, Miss Velma.
Oo na. Martir ako. Boba ako. Tanga. Bulag sa pag-ibig. What can I do? Isa lang akong babae na nagmahal.
Ano mo pinapamukha mo sa akin? That I am not enough. That I was a mistake.
You know that's not true.
Kung hindi totoo, bakit ka nangaliwa sa akin when I failed to give you a baby before? Sa mas bata pa sa akin. Eddie, you broke me. You broke me so many times. And now you want to try again. And what if it doesn't work out?
It's gonna work. We have to try. We'll have our family. We'll be happy.
Don't hurt me again. Please.
Velma, let me just remind you what's at stake here.
Hindi ka pa rin ba bilib sa paglilinis ko ng kalat? Ilang beses ko na bang winawalis yung sayo?
Ate.
Hindi ka babae lang. Babae ka. At walang makakapigil sa isang babaeng buo ang loob para lumaban sa isang lalaking mapang-alipusta.
Miss Faye, please don't blame yourself for falling in love. We all have tendencies to be blinded by love.
At understandable yun. Minsan may mga babaeng ginagawa ang lahat para sa pag-ibig. Kung yun lang ang paraan para makaramdam sila ng pagtanggap o pag-unawa.
Nothing can destroy us. Not then, not now, not ever. We made a vow to protect each other. To support each other no matter what. Walang dapat ang makakasira sa atin, lalong-lalo na hindi yung Noreen na yan. Siya ang tunay na kalaban. I promise you, we will get through this. Gagawin ko ang lahat. I promise you.